Welcome to Beginner English Practice Channel.
Greetings and introductions. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Welcome to our class. Are you excited to learn?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any favorite subjects?
Yes, I love math.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like drawing and reading books.
Lesson discussions. Can you read the next paragraph, please?
Sure.
What is the capital of France?
Paris.
Can you solve this math problem?
Let me try. The answer is 15.
What do plants need to grow?
Sunlight, water, and soil.
Why do you think honesty is important?
Because it helps people trust each other.
Encouragement and motivation. Great job on your test.
Thank you. I studied a lot.
Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's how we learn.
Okay, I'll keep trying.
You are doing really well in class.
Thank you, ma'am.
I believe in you. You can do it.
That makes me feel confident.
Keep practicing, and you will improve.
I will, thank you.
Classroom rules and discipline. Please raise your hand before speaking.
Oh, sorry. I will remember that.
No running in the classroom.
Okay, I'll walk.
Please don't talk while I'm explaining.
Sorry, I won't do it again.
Keep your desk clean, please.
Yes, I will organize it now.
It's important to respect everyone in class.
Yes, I understand.
Homework and assignments. Have you completed your homework?
Yes, I did.
Where is your assignment?
I forgot it at home.
Please submit your work on time.
I will make sure to do that.
Let me know if you need help with your homework.
Thank you, I will.
Did you find the assignment difficult?
A little, but I tried my best.
Classroom activities. Let's do a fun activity today.
Yay! What is it?
We will do a group project.
That sounds exciting.
Can you share your answer with the class?
Sure.
Who would like to come to the board?
Me, please.
Let's play a vocabulary game.
That will be fun.
Questions and curiosity. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I don't understand this part.
What do you want to learn today?
I want to learn about space.
Can you explain your answer?
Yes. I think.
Why do you think this happens?
Maybe because of.
Have you ever seen this in real life?
Yes, I saw it in a museum.
End of the lesson. Class is almost over. Any final questions?
No, everything is clear.
What did you learn today?
I learned about different types of animals.
Time to pack up.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to revise at home.
I will, thank you.
You all did a great job today.
Thank you, teacher.
Casual conversations. What did you do over the weekend?
I went to the park with my family.
What is your favorite hobby?
I love painting.
Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Yes, it was very interesting.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
What's your favorite book?
I love Harry Potter.
Special occasions. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
What holiday is coming up?
Christmas.
Are you excited for the school trip?
Yes, I can't wait.
What will you do during the vacation?
I will visit my grandparents.
Good luck on your test.
Thank you. I'll do my best.